Hey there everyone, so it's Yat Kean here from Training Ground. Now in this video, we are going to unbox this TCL 50 Pro, which is already start selling in Malaysia. We are going to check out what's in the packaging, and then we're going to quickly browse around the phone, give my quick impression onto it, and also do a really quick comparison. Maybe just the design wise with the TCL 50 Pro and the TCL 40 Pro. So I don't think I'm going to waste any more time. Let's check out the unboxing first. Alright, so this is the packaging for the TCL 50 Pro. Now, I'm going to show you something, okay? So I'll take out the sleeve out first. Now, for the Malaysia market, if you are purchasing the TCL 50 Pro, you will be getting the flip cover case and the T-Pen, the stylus. So for those who wanting to get a device with the value buy package, TCL 50 Pro definitely tick the box here. So take note, yeah, you should be getting a free flip cover case and a T-Pen. So that's a great value buy. But we're gonna unbox the smartphone first. We'll open the flip cover case and the T-Pen later on. So as you can see here, security seals, still new, okay? So basically you have paper display, and let me see, max ink mode. So you have TCL eye care assistant as well. So you have 6.8 inches full HD plus 120Hz refresh rate, so that's good. And then a 32 megapixel selfie camera and a 108 megapixel main camera, 512GB ROM with 8 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of virtual RAM. So here the specification I think is quite good enough for those who wanting a entry-level mid-range smartphone. Okay, so I have unsealed it. Alright, let's go and check out the device. Alright, nice. So as you can see, you get the phone first, right? Your sticker for all the warranties, make sure to keep them away for warranty purposes. So you are greeted with the warranty certificate over here, paper guide. You still get the charging adapter over here. Cool, nice. Okay, check it out. So according to the stats here, it's actually saying that it maxes out at 33 watt. So that's good, a 33 watt adapter. You get your cable as well, Type C to Type C. You get Type C to Type C cable here. So that is good package. Really good package. I don't think you can find any more good value deals from this kind of offering. So you also have your SIM 2 ejector. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside. Let's get back the smartphone first. Okay, so this is the device. So I think I'm going to slide it out. It's much more easier. Okay, wow, this is the phone. This is how it looks like. Very nice, cool, love it. Okay, so this here, yes, this like a circular camera bump. That's very nice, very cool. So let me just fire up and do some startup on the device, and we shall see. On to our next agenda, let's unbox the flip cover case and T-Pen. So as you can see, seals are here. Let's just quickly cut it up. I'm just going to cut the top part of it, and let's go and check it out. Very nice. Ooh, nice. Check out the high quality cover. Ooh, nice. I love it. So the stylus is already attached onto the side. So basically all you need to do is just press it out and voila, pull it out and you get to access the stylus itself. Nice. I love it. I love the design of it. The material used here is also quite nice as well. Very handy. Okay, so I've done the setup. put the phone inside the flip cover case as well. So we have the T pen over here as well. So let me just show you at the back how it actually looks like. Very stunning. I like it. Okay, so operation wise, with the flip cover case, you feel much more elegant as well. Okay, so let me just quickly turn it on. So as you can see with the T pen, you can actually use it, and you can use the Gen note over here. Okay, so let's just quickly go through it. Okay, I'm gonna log in first. So let me go here, untitled document. Not bad, quite nice. Very responsive, very responsive. Quite like it. It's nice. And definitely you can also do all the swipe gesture with the T pen. So that is a great package for 1,199 ringgit Malaysia. I think it's actually quite impressive. But I'll spare more details in the full review. But for now, this is what it is. Okay. Okay. So next one, let us compare with the 40 Pro. Alright, so here is the 40 Pro with the 50 Pro model. So you can see a major difference over here. So 40 Pro's finishing at the back, it feels like a bit like a sandstone. So that was one of the things I also quite like it, the finishing on the back. But definitely you can notice the camera bump difference right now. Okay, and it's also right now the 50 Pro model is much more larger as well. Okay, yeah, I would say if you want like the very sleek looking, 40 Pro is still actually quite a good device. But if you want to look and follow the latest innovation products, then definitely go for the TCL 50 Pro NXTPAPER 5G. Okay, all right. So I think we go ahead and open up both display first. Okay, so I have turned on both display right now. Let's go. You can see what's the difference. So this is the 40, this is the 50 Pro. Yeah, 40 Pro, 50 Pro. Difference, definitely there are some subtle differences. You can see these the, what is it called, the water drop style punch hole front facing camera. This is just a normal punch hole front facing camera. Looks better. Yeah, if you actually really see also, the chin bezel is also smaller on the 50 Pro as well. So that is a really great plus point. You can see the difference, what they have actually done. And if you really also see on the 50 Pro, the matte finishing is actually a little bit better than the 40 Pro. Both looks great. Okay, so what else are the difference? So this year they also have a button for the 50 Pro to switch to the NXTPAPER mode. So basically you can go to max ink mode, ink paper mode, or color paper mode. Okay, so we just enter this first. Ink paper mode, you can see. Wow, nice. Looks really, really cool. Love it. And you can actually still scroll both. Don't worry. So you can actually swipe back down to go back to the normal mode. You can swipe back up, go to max ink mode. So this is how max ink mode looks like. And when you enter max ink mode, your battery life also increase as well. So you can able to see approximately 28 hours and 9 minutes left with the battery life at 44%. So that is really, really amazing. Check it out, 44%. It still has 28 hours to last you. That is crazy. Imagine if you have full battery life, about 2 days of battery life here. That's good. Okay, good. Yeah. But overall, let's check out the other subtle changes. I don't think there's actually much of a things. The SIM card tray is still on the left side for both devices, and both also at the bottom they have the 3.5mm headphone jack. You can see USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill as well. Yeah, yeah. Basically, that's the comparison of the both of the TCL 50 Pro NXTPAPER 5G and the TCL 40 Pro NXTPAPER. Yeah, so quite nice, quite nice. Yeah, so if you want more full details, review will be coming up in a couple of weeks time, hopefully before the Chinese New Year. So do stay tuned, and also there will be upcoming videos as well. I'm going to test out some games as well with this device, and we're going to see how is it going to be performing. So do stay tuned and catch out some of the contents on the YouTube channel as well on the social media accounts. Okay, so Yat Kean here from Trend Ground. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Okay.